Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we will learn how to solve problem VC runtime 140-1.dll is missing from your computer. The solution is you need to go to docs.microsoft.com/this and I will post the link to in the description, and scroll down and pick the architecture of your processor, match the link with the processor architecture that your computer have, and click, and it will give you and it will download to you, and it will download a file like this, and wait until the file is finished, and you just click install. Now the file is complete. Click on, and now you click the file and click the first you need to if you have you click install. If you already have, you need to uninstall, and or you need to install, just install. Thank you. I hope this I hope this solution solve your problem. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you.